Hello everyone. So today we will discuss how to move back GitHub Copilot chat back to the activity bar. So here you can see that my activity bar is moved to the right, and there used to be a GitHub Copilot chat icon here which is not there anymore. So what has happened is the Copilot chat has moved to the secondary panel, and from the secondary panel you can bring it back to the primary. So how you can do it is in Mac OS. If you go to the top of VS Code, you have a VS Code icon here and you can open chat. Otherwise, if you don't have that, go at the bottom right and here you can find the Copilot icon and you can open GitHub Copilot chat. If you're not able to find the option to open the GitHub Copilot chat, you can go to your extensions and check whether GitHub Copilot chat is enabled or not. If it is not enabled, enable it. So what you first want to do is open chat. So as you can see, it opened in the secondary bar, and all you want to do is hover over this chat in the top left and just drag it to the primary bar, and you can see it has come to this side. Same with Copilot edit, and it's now fixed. Yeah, so thank you for watching. That's it.